Hey, good afternoon. Oh, beautiful day today. I gotta tell you, I feel bad for everyone else in the rest of the country. I guess it's been just bitterly cold. I never know what season it is here. It's 77 degrees and sunny. So this has been nice, but we are having a bit of a Santa Ana wind. So temperatures are up, humidity's down. You're always worried about fire, but is what it is, I suppose. Oh my God, always crazy stuff going on around here. Everything's going good though. Got all my dogs taken care of. My goal is to get my taxes done. Oh, well, that feels nice. You know, who's not gonna worry about taxes on the 15th of April? This guy. Of course, I gotta write a big check, but that's just, and you do wonder, where does that money go, especially for all the fraud in California? That, crazy. So, what else is going well? Stepped on the scale. That's good. I am down another, even with over the weekend, my wife and I went out with friends and I had breakfast that was not keto. But even with that, I am 4 pounds down from last week. So it's good, moving in the right direction. Gotta do something, because you know, being almost 50, boy, it takes a lot longer. And I get tired and sore faster, but that is life. So just gonna enjoy it while I can. Want to tell you that I appreciate you watching. Hope you're all doing well. Say hey to my dad, and as always, see you on the next one.